This RE/MAX Preferred Associates property video is presented by Kirby Okafor. New kitchen and bathroom countertops, vinyl flooring, carpet, ceiling fans, toilet seats, air conditioner. Great backyard for entertaining with low maintenance. Great garage space with 2 carport. This home is move-in ready. New paint job throughout. Formal living with fireplace and dining with vaulted ceilings and lots of light. Spacious kitchen with an awesome breakfast bar. Master bedroom with a fireplace and bath with double sinks, separate shower and deep tub and in great condition. Downstairs floor has 2 bedrooms and bath, living room, dining area and laundry room. This home shows very nice. For more information, review the details below or contact Kirby Okafor at 9.